Most women don't have a body problem, they have a fit problem. You've probably worn a dress that looked perfect on the hanger, Chelsea, but the moment you wore it, something felt off, too loose, no shape, no confidence. Here's what most women get wrong. They blame their body. When the real issue is the structure, the fit, the detail, a dress that doesn't define your waist, a fabric that doesn't fall right, straps that don't support you. It silently kills your confidence. But what if the same dress could completely transform how you look and feel? Here's the difference. It's not about tighter, it's about smarter fit. A defined waist creates instant shape, a smooth fabric flow eliminates distractions, balanced support lifts your posture naturally, small adjustments, massive visual impact. And now, look at this. Same woman, same dress. But now, everything works. Clean silhouette, defined curves, effortless confidence. This is what real fashion is. Not trends, not hype, precision, fit, confidence, the LipTique. If this made you see fashion differently, like the video, share it with someone who needs this. Comment below. What mistake do you think most women make? And tell me, what did you learn from this video? Because when your fit is right, everything changes.